Welcome to PTmaestro. How to edit and assign workouts. From the dashboard, we go up to training and to workouts. From our workout management section, we select our workout routine that we wish to edit. From here, we have different options to find the exercises that we wish to add. You can search exercises by body part, from the equipment they use, the injury or condition that is treated, as well as any exercises that you have created or favorited. You can also search directly by name. Our advanced options allows you to give a little bit more depth to your workout routine. You can label the exercises as warm-ups, cool-downs, have a timed rest, or create circuits. I'm just going to fill this up with some exercises. I should mention that warm-up or cool-down should be selected before you add the workout to the routine. When you start a circuit, make sure you hit the end circuit when you're done. Just hit submit to save any changes. The last thing to show you is you can hit this edit workout order, which will allow you to change the order of the workout. With our workout routine saved, we can now do something with it. Up to the top and click schedule. I'm just going to use a session that I created previously. From here you see options for workout set and log. Set sets the session goals, while log actually logs the workout. As you can see, you have the same options as you did with the workout routine builder. Group sessions and classes client workouts are recorded separately. From here we can add any pre-built workout. Plus with a red octagon, just a plus, and the information button. The plus with the red octagon allows you to only add the workout routine, whereas the plus by itself will add it on top of any existing exercises you've already added in during this session. As you can see, our blood sport routine came out after the Swiss ball lunge. Any exercises within the circuit will be hidden within this drop-down button. You can also repeat the circuit up to 10 times. Once everything's set, just hit submit. Now we can view our session with the goals and ready to log. Remember, setting goals is actually not needed for the system. Logging the workout behaves the same way as setting its goals. The goal for each exercise will appear above its input. And that concludes our video on workout routines. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more, please remember to hit that subscribe button.